Check this out. 1 in 5 millennials expect to die in debt. Guys, that's not the end-all, be-all. Don't let these stats get you down. We can get out of this. I got my first credit card my first year in college. Now, when you get to college, banks approach you about credit cards, and you have one of two choices. No, I don't need a credit card. I'm good. Or you could be like me and say, money? A lot of it that I don't have right now, and I get to pay back slowly over time? Brilliant. Can't be bad. It could be bad. It could be really bad, especially when you're me, with no extra money to pay it back. And they're like, hey, can we get our $50 a month back? And you're like, yeah, about that 50 bucks. Doesn't sound like a lot, except I have 0.0. Banks come to you, and they say they don't mean to take advantage of you, but they know that you don't have a lot of knowledge about credit cards and how they're used and how they're paid back. It took me a while to pay that credit card off. It was a mistake. Make sure you learn from my mistakes. Listen up. This is how you get out of credit card debt.
All right, step one. Listen, guys, you can be in serious debt and still have a good credit score. Now, if that's your situation, look into transferring your credit debt to a new credit card with a lower interest rate. Or, if you got like half a dozen cards, you can barely keep track of them, check out a consolidation loan that combines all the debt into a single monthly payment. All right, step two. I want you to hear me. This is a fact. You have to make the minimum payment on every card every month. Do not challenge this. Oh, and always pay on time. That'll keep your credit score healthy while you dig out of this hole. Now, step three. Every month you carry credit card debt, you're being charged money in the form of interest, even if you ain't buying squat. So, if you're serious about getting out of debt, you need to make much more than the minimum payments. You hear me? Much more. Look, there's two common strategies to wiping out your credit card debt. Snowballing and avalanching. Snowballing. You throw every penny you can at the spare card with the lowest balance. Knock it out fast as possible. Avalanching. You focus on the card with the highest interest rate immediately, saving you money in the long run. If you choose the one that suits you, and you stick with it.
Every whooping comes with a lesson. Now, this is your lesson. You got yourself in this credit card debt, you gonna get yourself out. Come on. You're adulting now. Adult.